Hello, I'm Sankalp Dyal, a final year student of computer science, and I usually make like placement related and coding related videos so that you can do good in your coding rounds and interviews and finally get placed in a good company. So let's begin the video. So this video is all about the final year placements, and we'll be discussing all the companies that hire on campus and also for off campus and the months in which they will be hiring. So first we'll start with the on-campus placements, and before starting the video, do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And now we'll start the video. So if we talk about the on-campus placements, so we have some good companies listed here that will be coming for on-campus placements. So till now, uh, and all of this data is collected from public sources and from seniors who have been placed in these companies and have collected all this data from them. So in this, if we talk about some of the first up to the 10th row, we have some of these companies, that is PayPal, Morgan Stanley, Microsoft, DShaw, Cisco, AppDynamics, Udan, and Wells Fargo. So these are some of the companies which are very good, and these generally come in the July month if we are talking about on campus, like in the starting of the placement season. And here I have divided all the companies into three parts. So the first part is for all the companies that are having 20 plus CTC, and it is not that they only come in the beginning of this placement season. They also come in the last semester, that is 8th semester, that is in November, December, or January. So if you are not like placed in a super dream company, you can wait for them, and till then continue your preparation. So apart from all this, so here I have also mentioned the CTC that they are giving, and the highest is for Microsoft, and this year it is around 44, and for the last years also it was like around 40 or 40 plus. And then we have some other companies, that is Coordination, Razorpay, Amazon, and Amazon is also like hiring in the first month of this placement, and it is also giving a CTC of around 30. Then we have MotorQ, then Tower Research, Adobe, DirectEye, and like these are all the companies that are very good. Then we have Atlassian, Visa, Oppo, Media.net, Swiggy, and there are a few more companies. So these are the companies that give a very good CTC, and even the base is very high. Now if we talk about the base for these companies, here we can see that Coordination is giving 24 of 24 as the base for the freshers, and in this we can see that Oppo is also giving 14, then MediaNet is giving 17, Swiggy is giving 18, and these are the companies that visit like after few months, that is in November, December, or January. And in this time also we can clear these companies if we want. Now if we talk about the like here we have some more companies, that is Nutanix and Salesforce. So if we are not able to if these companies are not coming to our campus, we can also try to get off campus placements in these companies. So for that we need to be in contact with some people who are working in this company, so that we can get updates about the hiring process that these will offer. And now we'll move down to the second group, that is, and the range for this is between 15 to 20 CTC. So in this, JP Morgan I've also added because it is like having a very good base, that is around 12, and the CTC is 14. And then we have Nutanix and Texas Instruments, then VMware, Mentor Graphics, and like all these companies are also very good. And they also, like, in this list there are many companies that will be coming in November, December. So if we are not, like, if we have the target of getting into a super dream, we can continue our preparation till then, and we'll also get the opportunity to sit in the placements for these companies. And then we have few more companies that give a CTC of 10 to 15, like between 10 to 15. So there are many companies, many more companies. So all this was for on-campus placements. And if we talk about the internship that they give, so for third years, the companies offer a 2 month internship. But for the final years, the companies offer 6 months internship. So if we talk about the internship stipends, then PayPal is giving 50,000, Microsoft is giving around 1 lakh, DShaw is also like 1 lakh, and AppDynamics 675,000. So like these are some of the stipends that they give. And then we have stipends for some other companies also. Amazon has is giving 60,000, like from this batch. Earlier it was 45,000. And like in this way we can see the stipend for them. And this stipend is for the 6 months internship and not for the 2 months internship. Now this was all for the on-campus placements, and this is for the previous batch and the, like, second previous batch. That, like, this is 1 year senior and this is 2 years senior than the current batch, which is in final year. Now if we talk about the other companies, now for those companies, if we talk about the on-campus placements for this year, now we have some of these companies. So Microsoft is giving a CTC of around 44, and in this academic year, in this like batch, it has only hired through the internship process that it like conducted last year. And like out of the people that were selected for internships, they were converted into PPO. And in this, Microsoft didn't came for the placements for the final years. And then these are the 7 companies that came for placements in the month of July. And the CTC for all of them are also mentioned here. Now if we move ahead, we have 3 more companies that are very good. Now we have Wells Fargo, Cloudera, and Cisco. So these are some of the best companies in which you can get placed. Now there are some more companies that have visited the campus, and this is the list for all those companies, and I'll be updating all the details in the sheet, and the link for the sheet will be given in the Telegram channel, so you can join that and check out the details for all these companies. Now all this data I have taken from, like, public sources only. And okay, this was a image that was posted, and it was sent to me by one of my junior. And in this, all the companies are mentioned along with their date of visit and the requirements, like the cutoff that they had, and the CTC and the stipend that they are giving. Now in this, there are few companies that select only 9 pointers, that is, if your CGPA is 9 plus, then only you'll be selected. So I'll also be giving this like image in the Telegram group, so you can also look at this later. Now this is the list of all the companies that have visited till now. So here we can see that a total of around 71 companies, that is 70 plus companies, have already visited, and the CTC is for most of them is 10 plus, that is so around 50 plus companies will be having a CTC of 10 plus. And If we talk about the eligibility for all these companies, if like branch wise, if you are from computer science or IT or electrical, so most of these companies allow electricals also, but few of them don't allow electricals. Now this was all for the on-campus placement, all about the CTCs that they give and the stipends that they have and the order in which they come to the campus. Now we'll be talking about some of the companies that hire off campus. Okay, so here we have some companies that will be hiring off campus, and for the current month if we talk about, we have Google, PayPal that are currently recruiting people for the full-time offers. So if you have not applied to these companies, you can apply now, and I've already updated the links and sent all the links for applying to these companies in the group, so you can check from there. And if we talk about the other companies, that is Amazon, Microsoft, Coordination, DShaw and Goldman, so they also have from off campus. And for Goldman also, the first round is like now over, and in this like I've cleared the first round, so for the next rounds I'll be updated soon, and I'll also be updating you all with the steps and the like interview rounds or the rounds that they have conducted. And if we talk about and there are some more companies, that is media.net and DirectEye, and then cure.fit and Baiju. So Baiju is also currently hiring for full-time roles. So if you have not applied to that, you can apply right now. After the video, you can apply now. Okay. Now, if we talk about the referral system that we have, now referral is that some employee of that company will be referring you to the recruiter that you are a like good candidate for this role, and they can start the interview process with you or the recruitment process with you. So in some companies referral is not very important, but in some companies referral is also given like much importance if you are having one. Now for DShaw and Goldman, like I have applied without like in Goldman I applied without referral, and I got the chance to give the first round. So in DShaw also, like they don't, like even without referral you can apply and you will get the chance to sit in the first round. And the only condition is that you should not have applied in the last 6 months or last 1 year, whatever the company has fixed. Like that is a cool down period in which like you should take like a gap of that amount of time before applying again. Now in Amazon we have like for the referral we can, like these are some of the companies that give much preference to referrals. That is Google, Amazon, and Coordination, then Media.net and DirectEye. So in this, if you are having a referral, it is like much useful for you to get into the next rounds. Now for getting the referrals, I'll be making another video like how to get referral, how to contact the employer, and like how it is how the entire process is done, and finally how can you get a referral. Now for Amazon, like we can see that they also give 6 months internship. So in Amazon the conversion rate is very high, like very good. So if you are also getting a 6 months internship, it is like very probable that you will be converted to full time. And in DirectEye also they give 6 months internship, and Cure.fit also gives 6 month internship. So using this internship process also you can join the company as a full-time employee. Now for the other companies, that is Microsoft, Coordination, here I have mentioned the months in which they will be hiring. So for DShaw, they'll be hiring, the hiring process will start after Feb, and for Coordination, the link I have added in the group, so you can check that. They hire through a process called Codeagon, and this is a coding contest in which you can participate, and they will be selecting candidates from this contest also. Now for Microsoft, they hire in the months of April, May and June, and like this is just before starting of your full time, like that this is the end of your fourth year. So in this time also you can apply to Microsoft for the full time role. Now for Amazon, the like now also they have opened the like job posting in which you can apply for the full time role, and like they'll be posting continuously if they have any like for the freshers. So you can check out the career page if you want to like get regular updates from them. And then DirectEye has in the month of November, and Cure.fit has in the month of October and December, like around that time. And yeah, that's all. And if you are getting a referral, it is very helpful for you because it will be like ease the process, the entire process through which you will go. And without a referral and with a referral matters. And if you want to do like if it is your target company or your dream company, you can try to get a referral, and then it will be much probable that you land a final offer at that company. So that's all for this video, and if you have watched the video till now, you can like the video, and if you have any doubts or any kind of suggestions that you want to give, you can post it in the comments below, and I'll be giving all the links in the description so you can check that. And thank you for watching the video. I'll be adding some more interview like experiences for the companies that I've talked about, so that if you are applying for these companies, you can get a like in brief introduction about the interview process and how they hire, and what are the total number of rounds, what kind of questions they are asking. So all these details we'll try to share it with you. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.